Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in gold. Haven't traded this pair for a long time. Some of you had demanded to trade in gold in the comment box. You will learn a lot in this video. Must watch the video till the end. I am taking proper risk management here. It is very important to take risk management in this pair, because it is a pair with high volatility and massive profits losses. Guys, our trade is applied now. I will apply buy stop trade here. As the market will go up, our trade will be executed, and the profit will also increase so that we can do pyramid trade here. Not everyone should do this because it is risky. If you are fully confirmed that the market will go up, then only do pyramid. See you guys after a while. Guys, the market is starting to rise. All our trades are applied now. Let us analyze and tell you from which reason we apply for buying trade. Today we are not going to be trend channel. Today we will analyze only on support resistance. You can also make good profit from this analysis. First of all, I'm going to take the rectangle tool, which is the best tool to draw support resistance. Where we have drawn the rectangle tool, market has created multiple support resistance points at that level. Market took support at this level with perfect reverse and moved up every time, due to which the market is respecting this level because this is the real support resistance level. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this point as well. From all these points, this level can be called strong support resistance level. This level is the most important level for the current analysis. Market has started going up with support here. We have another reason for buying trade, which indicates to go up. Let me draw you and explain. Here the market has made a double bottom at the support level, which is clearly visible in the chart. This pattern is strong pattern of market reverse. This gives us an indication that the market will go up from here. Here we can capture good move. This is our high probability trade, which has 90 to 95% chance of profit. If this analysis of ours is correct, then we expect a good profit. We're going down in history here, from which we will get more signals to go up the market. Where we have applied trade, the market has reversed many times before. At this level, the market first took multiple resistance and later broke it to become support. We have also applied trade above this level. If you draw any level, then first look at the past. From there you can get good probability signals because the market always repeats history. Now let's put stop loss and target point. With this we will take the trade to profit. Here my stop loss will be below this strong support resistance level. If this setup gets failed, then our stop loss will be hit and we will close the trade. Let's see how the market reacts here. And my target point will be at this level. The market should come to good profit can be made according to our analysis. We will close the trade as soon as all our trades are in profit. Guys, right now we are getting to see the loss, which is more than $400. This account of ours is worth $4,000, which will grow with pyramid trade. I quickly place stop loss and target. All our work is completed. Now we have to wait patiently for the market to go up. We are not following higher high, higher low here, because those points are not created here. We are following candlestick patterns and support resistance here. Here we have analyzed with pure price action. Only price action analysis is enough to make profit in the market. Let's see what the market gives in this trade. Guys, meet after stop loss and target is hit.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and past. I back up my actions, fact, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked, attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse.
Guys, we have a great profit. The market went up as we thought. Our target is about to be hit. The market is very close to the target level. Our target is hit. Our goal was achieved within 1 hour after we applied the trade. We had very little time to wait. It happens very rarely where our target is achieved quickly, where the market has just come. There is another reversal level. Let me tell you by drawing with the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. This could be the next strong support resistance level in the market, from where the market has repeatedly reversed at this level. In future, we may see another reaction at this level because the market repeats history. Here the market can react in two ways. First condition can go up by breaking it because the market has just created a strong bullish candle. In the second condition, the market can reverse from here. We'll have to take the two scenarios together so that we can analyze with all angles. Guys, our profit is running around $11,000. We have made more profit than we had expected. Here our risk management was correct, which led to successful pyramid trade. We converted the account here from $4,000 to $15,000. You too can trade profitably with such simple price action. Like if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.